Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel AI Tech Feed. In this tutorial, we are going to build a simple yet powerful functional note-taking app from scratch using the no-code platform Bubble. Edit workflow. With the button selected, click on Add Workflow. Click to add a new action. Go to Data Things and select Create a new thing. Set the type to note and then we'll set its fields. The title field should get its value from the input note title's value, and the content field should get its value from the multi-line input add notes value. For the created date field, we'll use the current date time feature. To clear the input fields after a note is saved, add another action. Element actions, reset relevant inputs. Go back to the Design tab. Create a workflow for this button. The action will be the thing to delete will be the current cell's note. Testing the application. Now for the exciting part. Let's test our application. Click the preview button in the top right corner. The app will load in a new tab. Let's try it out. Type a title like shopping. And for the content type, we have a shopping plan on 26th August. Click the Add Note button. You should instantly see your new note appear in the list below, complete with the title, content, and the creation date. The input fields are now clear. Let's add another one. For the title, type Ganesh Chaturthi. And for the content, Ganesh festival is on 27th August. Click Add Note again. There it is. Our second note is added to the list. And that's it. Our note-taking app is now fully functional, and you can add, view, and delete notes with ease, all built without writing a single line of code. With this project, you have learned how to design a UI, connect to a database, and build interactive workflows in Bubble. If you found this helpful, stay tuned. We'll create more projects like this to help you master no-code development. Thanks for watching and happy building. Subscribe AI Tech Feed.